In the quiet mountains of Sinaloa, among dusty roads and forgotten villages, a shadow began to rise. What started as a small-time smuggling group soon transformed into the most feared drug empire on earth. This is the story of Sinaloa cartel, from a poor farmer's son to the world's most wanted drug lord. His name Joaquin Guzman Lara, better known as El Chapo. He built tunnels under the earth, sent ships across the seas, and filled the skies with planes, all carrying one thing: cocaine, heroin, meth, and death. Drug trafficking is not just business, it's blood. The Sinaloa cartel bowed politicians, owned police forces, and silenced journalists. Anyone who stood in their way vanished. Fear was not a weapon, it was their language. By the 1990s, Sinaloa was no longer just Mexico's cartel. It was a global empire. Cocaine from Colombia, meth labs hidden in Mexico, heroin flowing from Afghanistan, a supply chain of poison wrapped around the entire world. On the streets of Mexico, war had a new name. Rival cartels clashed, bodies piled up, and entire cities live in terror. The country had become a battlefield, and El Chapo was its king. According to the United Nations, the Sinaloa cartel was earning more than $3 billion every year. Hotels, casinos, real estate, all used to launder dirty money. El Chapo was no longer just a criminal. He was one of the richest men alive. But empires built on blood don't last forever. In 2016, after years of pursuit, El Chapo was captured once again, extradited to the United States, and today he sits behind bars, sentenced to life in prison. But was the cartel truly finished? El Chapo may be gone, but the Sinaloa cartel is far from dead. Now his sons, known as Los Chapitos, run the empire. Their new product is fentanyl, a synthetic drug so deadly it kills thousands every year. In the United States alone, the Sinaloa cartel is no longer just a gang. It is a shadow government. Its roots are so deep that erasing it may be impossible. And so the question remains: who truly rules Mexico? The government or the cartel?